coup to sack Tinubu as former presidents Jonathan, Buhari, and Obasanjo meets in secret, considers resignation. Okay, Nigerians. Okay, my people. How una dey? Yes, so this is emergency. Emergency. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is facing it squarely. Is facing it toughly. As it be so, everything done dey mature, everything done dey clear, and as they are becoming clear, it now is like even Tinubu himself is now afraid that things are no longer going to be the way he actually planned them. A meeting has been summoned between Buhari, Obasanjo, Jonathan, and some other presidents that have ruled Nigeria for an emergency talk concerning this very issue. No be small matter. Let's quickly go straight to the content. This is today's news. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is convening a pivotal meeting with former Nigerian leaders at the presidential villa in Abuja on Tuesday. This assembly includes former President Mohammed Buhari, Goodluck Jonathan, Yakubu Gowon, and Abdul Salam Abubakar. Although the meeting agenda has not been made public, it marks the first Council of State session under Tinubu's administration. The timing of this gathering is significant following a recent 10-day nationwide protest triggered by economic challenges linked to Tinubu's reform policies. These reforms, particularly the removal of the fuel subsidy, have led to widespread discontent and demonstrations across the country. The Council of States, which offers advisory support to the sitting president, comprises past presidents, the vice president, state governors, the Senate president, and key ministers. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo, who has previously endorsed the protesters' demands, is notably absent from this meeting. This absence may reflect his position on the ongoing economic issues. In contrast, former President Yakubu Gowon and Abdul Salam Abubakar participated in the meeting, virtually suggesting that their continued engagement in national advisory roles. In addition to the Council of State meetings, President Tinubu is set to embark on an official trip to Equatorial Guinea starting Wednesday, August 14, today. This 3-day visit will include meetings with the local leaders and is aimed at enhancing Nigerian diplomatic relations. Tinubu will be accompanied by the Minister of Foreign Affairs and other high-ranking officials, underscoring the administration's focus on international diplomacy. Thank you for listening to today's news. Wow. Awesome. You see, Mr. President, I will tell you that you are actually on point, but do you think that these persons that you have actually brought together will really want to give you a positive reason or a positive support? Let's use example Abdul Salam Abubakar. Don't forget that he is your opposition, and Abubakar is still willing to come back to power. Uh-huh. You understand that? Abubakar is willing to come back to power, come 2027. So even if others are giving you a positive opinion, Abaka's opinion will not be positive. That is for sure. It will not be positive because Abubakar till date is still looking for chances, and is still looking for ideas to use to get you defeated, and that is just one thing I am observing. So, notwithstanding Nigerians, if you heard it anyway, that is what Bola Ahmed Tinubu is currently going through as we speak right now. Who is going to be the president out of this ditch? Is it this president that we are just invited for a golden meeting? That is one thing that I'm still asking myself, because these people um, also are eyeing this very position that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is also in at present. Okay, without wasting much time, let's quickly, let's hear from you and let's know what your take and what your opinions actually is on this matter. It is a pleasure. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.